when I'm a grandma, I like to wear units like this. You know, I'll be able to look down here. What are you doing there? Oh Lord Jesus. Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're just going to jump right into the video. Just as the title of the video says, we're making a round closure, and to do this I'm using the bottom part of my thread holder to draw a circle on my lace. Alright, so after drawing the circle, I will then ventilate around the perimeter of the circle. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. But you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna be. And for this ventilation, I'm doing the single knot ventilation, but I'm using 2 strands of hair for every hole I'm ventilating into. So I'm still using my freestyle method, but doing only single knots. I'm picking out 2 strands of hair to ventilate. I hope that makes sense. For a better understanding of what I mean by freestyle ventilation, please watch my previous videos on ventilating to understand better. I suggest you watch the very first ventilating video I made on my YouTube channel to understand what I mean when I say freestyle ventilating. Making a change today, the liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. Yeah, I got one virtual, got one, and that there's the only 2, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today, the liquor been
So I keep ventilating this way till I cover the perimeter of the circle while leaving the center of the circle bare.
I got one lawyer, got one in that day, the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in Stockholm, it's me, the Owls, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, easy and handed it off, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's your time my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress on the numbers, hey. Yeah, but I can say most of their reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. See what's about to happen. See what's about to happen.
Spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? Checking from my fan life is fantastic. I was broke as hell, sleeping on the mattress. I feel like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatic. Ran it up by the condo, got a new edit. Now the VV's with a V-long jean jacket. You can see me even if you had 3D glasses. Bad bitch in the bikini, she from Calabasas.
Now that we are done with the perimeter of the circle, we're about to ventilate in the middle of the circle, that's the center of the circle. And for this ventilation, I do it a little bit differently. So I'm going to be doing HD ventilation right in the middle of the circle. That means we're going to be ventilating with just single strands, no longer 2 strands per knot. So we're using only single strands. That means you're picking only one strand of hair for the ventilation in the center of the circle. I hope that makes sense, please. And the reason for this is because the outer part of the circle is the part that covers the tracks on your wig, so we want to make that a little bit thicker, just to ensure that it covers the tracks very well, while the center part of the lace is the part that shows. So we want that part to be really thin. We want the knots to be really thin and for it to look as natural as possible. So therefore we'll be using single strands of hair.
Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? New cool, I'm a space cadet. Yeah. Measure about 2 potatoes. Boom. Easy dripping, got these nigga wet. He on the Boominati way. New cool, I'm a space cadet. Yeah. Measure about 2 potatoes. Boom. Easy dripping, got these nigga wet. He on the Boominati way.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in.
I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. We spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told Pooh, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the West Coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch, she look like she go. She do. Hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego. She heard of my deep stroke. She said, babe, does it hurt when I deep throat? Certified freak hoe, hang around dust, and she looking at my lingo. Back then, wasn't worried about me though. In the gym, trying to work on my break though. Goddamn. Spending money at the club like Sam's. Yes, ma'am. She a little freak on cam. She don't put this on the ground. Little boys try to diss on the ground. Hey, I can't switch on the fam. Shit's hot, hit the switch for the fan. This what my head is. I feel resentment from every direction. Even some homies be wearing expressions. I be discouraged from sharing my blessings. We used to share a connection. Now it just feels like it's wearing and stretching. I'm getting real sick of taking advice from people that never could stare at reflections. Somewhere in there is a lesson. Y'all ain't involved, it's very depressing. I'm at the club with the basketball team. Me and the Cardinals are sharing the section. Got a cherish the present. I'm drinking water and wearing protection. Got a career and I'm very invested. Some people call it a scary obsession. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packed in. I'm digging her accent. I got a BB Simon belt on me and she tryna get it, I'm passing. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they sat in. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag they keep checking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. We spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
And this is the finished look. We are done with it. You can see how natural it looks right in the center of the lace. Alright, so you just comb it out. You can decide to bleach the knot if you will, and attach that to your wig cap. Alright, so you just use that on top of your wig to close it off when making a fringe wig.
It's only the real. I'm moving way too humble. Weezy and handed it off. I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno. This one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers. Hey, yeah, but I can see my petty reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay, and New Year's all I did was stretch, okay, and Valentine's Day I had sex, okay. We'll see what's about to happen next, okay. Okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. 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 See what's about to happen.
Spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans, cause I'm cool, right? Checking from my fan life is fantastic. I was broke as hell, sleeping on the mattress. I feel like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatic. Ran it up by the condo, got a new edit. Now the VVs with a V-long jean jacket. They can see me even if you had 3D glasses. Bad bitch in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hunters, got a cash fetish. I've been studying these hunters, I'm a mathematic. In this love, make me wanna buy my dedicated. Since the love got me geeked up, I don't need a head. Drake gold, let these niggas know we've already. Skin some clothes on my bitches, we ain't ball capping. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aiming out of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. It did take a lean where the lean at.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tizzy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck a lot, I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. But you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope this mic is on because the last time I filmed this it wasn't on. Alright, so this is the finished look. Pretty simple, pretty chic. It's giving very much grandma. It's giving very much, rich auntie. But it's not bad. I mean, I like it. This style, just something simple, easy, and no need for too much styling. All you have to do is throw it on and go about your day. And it already comes wavy. I just added a little bit of curls to it to see me clearly. But yeah. So this unit is giving very much rich auntie. It's giving very much, it's giving very much grandma, but the cool, classy grandma. So when I'm a grandma, I like to wear units like this. I'll be able to look down here. What are you doing there? Oh Lord Jesus, I feel like it's really cute, and yeah. Also, you don't have to go this extra when it comes to making your fringe units. I just prefer it. It's just a personal preference. Okay, you know that when you do your regular round closure, there's always a knot. Like if you don't use a lace system or a closure for it, there's always a knot in there, and I don't like that. So um that's why I do this. You don't necessarily have to do yours like this. You can just take a piece of lace or cut out a piece of lace with the same thread container I used. Thread, what's the thing called? That thread stuff I used. Anyways, you can just use it to cut out like a circle on maybe a lace closure you're no longer using that matches whatever you're trying to make, and cut out the circle and use it for your closure. I don't know if you can see what it looks like. Alright, so it's just an extra step I like to do. And yeah, so I hope you found this video helpful. Please do not forget to leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Yeah, and I'll be seeing you in my next one, guys. Alright, that's it for now. Bye.
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box with a
Please guys, let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are on this unit. Is it giving rich auntie or is it giving grandma?
swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they want to know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay?